Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Greensboro, North Carolina Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 40, this hotel is 10 minutes drive from the Piedmont Triad International Airport. Features include laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi is provided. Cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Motel 6-Greensboro Airport. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception and a sun terrace by the pool are available to the guests of the Greensboro Airport Motel 6. Guilford College is 10 minutes drive from the hotel. The shopping, dining and entertainment of Central Greensboro are located less than 15 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.